Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to our Arabic class. Okay, let's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's start our class. In previous class, we discussed about some words start with toa. Which words we learned in last class? Do you remember which word? Which words? Yes, ta'iratun. Ta'iratun means, what is the meaning of ta'iratun? Yes, ta'iratun means aeroplane. Ta'iratun means aeroplane. Then next word, tiflun. Tiflun means child. Then next word, tabshuratun. Tabshuratun means chalk. Okay. Then today the next words we discussed. Toyyarun. Toyyarun. What is the meaning of toyyarun? Toyyarun means pilot. Toyyarun means pilot. The next word, tumu'un. Tumu'un. Tumu'un means aspiration. Tumu'un means aspiration. The next word, tolabun. Tolabun means application. Tolabun means application. Then tabibun. Tabibun means doctor. Tabibun means doctor. The next word, tawilatun. Tawilatun. Tawilatun means table. Tawilatun means table. Then tabba'un. Tabba'un means typist. Tabba'un means typist. Talibun. Talibun means student. Talibun means student. Turun. Turun means mountain. Turun means mountain. The next word, tomatimun. Tomatimun. Tomatimun means tomato. Tomato. Then tobilun. Tobilun means drum. Tobilun means drum. Next word, ta'usun. Ta'usun means peacock. Ta'usun means peacock. Okay. The last word, tawilun. Tawilun means tall. Tawilun means tall. Okay. All of you listen here. How can write these words? First word, toyyarun. Toyyarun means pilot. Toyyarun means pilot. The next word, tumu'un. 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 What is the meaning tumu'un? Aspiration. Tumu'un means aspiration. The next word, talabun. Talabun means application. Talabun means application. Okay. Then tabibun. Tabibun means doctor. Tabibun means doctor. Okay. The next word, tawilatun. Tawilatun means table. Tawilatun means table. Then ത്വബാഉൻ. ത്വബാഉൻ. ത്വബാഉൻ means, what is the meaning of ത്വബാഉൻ? Typist. ത്വബാഉൻ means typist. The next word ത്വാലിബുൻ. ത്വാലിബുൻ means student. Talibun means student. Then Turun. Turun means mountain. Turun means mountain. The next word Tomatimun. Tomatimun means tomato. Okay, let me listen here. Toyyarun pilot, tumuun aspiration, twalabun application, twabibun doctor, twavilatun table, twabbaun typist, twalibun student, turun mountain, twamatimun tomato. The next word, listen here, twabulun. Twabulun drum. Twabulun means drum. Twausun. Twausun means peacock. Peacock. Twabulun drum. Twausun peacock. The last word twavilun. The last word twavilun. What is the meaning of twavilun? Twavilun means tall. Tall. Okay. Let me listen here. I show some cards. Can you see the card? Read the word. Read the word. Twayyarun. Twayyarun. Read the word. Twayyarun. What is the meaning Twayyarun? Twayyarun means pilot. Twayyarun means pilot. Say loudly. Twayyarun means pilot. Okay. Then the next word tumuun. Read the word tumuun. Tumuun. Tumuun means aspiration. Tumuun means aspiration. What is the meaning of tumuun? Aspiration. Okay. The next word twalabun. Read the word loudly. Twalabun. Twalabun. What is the meaning of twalabun? Twalabun means application. Twalabun means application. Okay. Do you understand? Yes. The next word twabibun. Read the word twabibun. What is the meaning twabibun? We studied now. What is the mean? Yes, twabibun means doctor. Twabibun means doctor. Okay. The next twavilatun. Twavilatun. Twavilatun means table. Twavilatun means table. Okay. Twavilatun means table. Then twabbaun. Twabbaun. Read the word twabbaun. Twabbaun means typist. Twabbaun means typist. Okay. What is the meaning of Tobba'un? Tobba'un means typist. Okay. The next word. Can you see? Read the word. Which letter? Twa. Yes, very good. Twalibun. Twalibun. What is the meaning of Twalibun? Twalibun means student. Twalibun means student. Okay. The next word. Turun. Turun. Twa, vav, run. Turun. Turun means mountain. Turun means mountain. Say with me. Turun, mountain. Okay. The next word. Tomatimun. The word. Read the word. Tomatimun. What is the meaning? Tomatimun. Tomato. Tomato. It's the vegetable. Okay. Tomatimun. Tomato. Okay. The next word. Tobilun. Tobilun. Tobilun means drum. Tobilun means drum. What is the meaning? Tobilun. Tobilun means drum. Okay. The next word. Twausun. Twausun. Twausun means peacock. Twausun means peacock. Say with me. Twausun. Peacock. Okay. Clear? The last word. Twawilun. Twawilun. Twawilun means tall. Twawilun means tall. Okay. Clear? Yes. All of you listen here. All of you take your textbook. All of you take your textbook. Page number 16. Okay. Take your textbook. Page number 16. Do you see some pictures? Do you see? Can you see the pictures? Yes. Which is the first picture? We studied that. Which is the picture? Yes. Peacock. Peacock. Which is the Arabic word of peacock? Do you remember? Which is the Arabic word? Peacock. Which is the Arabic word of peacock? Say. Twausun. Yes, very good. Twausun. Twausun means peacock. The next picture. Please write the below the picture. Twausun. Twausun. Okay. All of you write below the picture. Twausun. Okay. The next aeroplane. Which is the Arabic word of aeroplane? Say the Arabic word of aeroplane. We studied the word. Remember? Do you remember the word? Yes. Twa'iratun. Twa'iratun means aeroplane. Write the word Twa'iratun below the picture. Okay. The next word, which is the, yes, typist. Typist. Okay. Which is the Arabic word of typist? Typist. Tobba'un. Tobba'un. Okay. The next picture. Tabshuratun. This is chalk. Tabshuratun. The Arabic word of chalk. Tabshuratun. Write the below the picture. Tabshuratun. Okay. Then what is this? What is this? This is mountain. This is mountain. Which is the word? Arabic word of mountain? Yes. Turun. Turun is mountain. Turun means mountain. Write the word Turun below the picture. Okay. Then what is this? This is tiflun. Tiflun. This is child. Child means in Arabic tiflun. Okay. Then what is this? Can you see the picture? What is this? Twavilatun. Twavilatun. This is table. The word, write the word Twavilatun. Twavilatun. Okay, all of you write the word Twavilatun. Then next word tomato. What is the Arabic word? Tomatimun. Tomatimun is tomato. Okay. The next, who is this? This is student. Which is the Arabic word of student? This is the Arabic word. Yes, Twalibun. Twalibun means student. Then this is drum. This is drum. Write the Arabic word. Say, what is the Arabic word of drum? Come on. What is the Arabic word of drum? Tobilun. Yes, very good. Tobilun. Write the word tobilun below the picture. Okay. All words below the picture. Okay. Then I show a chart. All of you listen here. All of you listen here. Toyyarun. Toyyarun means pilot. Toyyarun means pilot. Tumu'un. Tumu'un means aspiration. Aspiration. Tolabun, application. Tolabun means application. Tobibun. Tobibun means doctor. Tobibun means doctor. Twavilatun. Twavilatun means table. Twavilatun means table. Tobba'un. Tobba'un means typist. Tobba'un means typist. Twalibun. Twalibun means student. Twalibun means student. Turun. Turun means mountain. Turun means mountain. Tomatimun. Tomatimun means tomato. Tomatimun means tomato. Tobilun. Tobilun means drum. Tobilun means drum. Twausun. Twausun means peacock. Twausun means peacock. Tawilun. Tawilun means tall. Tawilun, tall. Okay. Did you understand? Do you understand the words? All of you take your notebook and write these words and their meanings. Okay. Write these words and their meanings very neatly. Okay. Then take your textbook, page number 17. Take your textbook and page number 17. Can you see practice writing? Practice writing. Then tiflun, toyyarun, twalabun, tobibun, twavilatun, tobba'un, twalibun, turun, tobilun, tovilatun. Write in 3 times these columns. Write in 3 times. Tiflun, tiflun, tiflun. Write in 3 times the total words. Write in 3 times. Okay. Today we studied some words start with twa. Okay. Toyyarun, tumu'un, tolabun, tobibun, ത്വാവിലത്തുൻ, ത്വബ്ബാഉൻ, ത്വാലിബുൻ, തൂറുൻ, ത്വമാത്തിമുൻ, ത്വബലുൻ, ത്വാഊസുൻ, ത്വവീലിൻ. Okay, these words read and write more and more. Okay, then today wind up our class. See you on next class. Jazakallahu khairan. Thank you.